everyone, to the 40th episode of the CoCoLand podcast. I'm your host, Uncle Coco, and I'm the President, Vice President, Governor, and Mayor of CoCoLand. Thank you so much for listening. Today I'll be joined by Theodore, Bill, Murph, Carmel, and Rocket, as we are celebrating Fried Pickle Eating Day.
Oh, yeah!
You can eat fried pickles any day, but especially on Fried Pickle Eating Day. Fried Pickle Eating Day is a national holiday in Coco. Oh, and just to let you know, Fried Pickle Eating Day is on October 3rd. If you're not listening to this episode on October 3rd, that is just fine. Every day is great for eating fried pickles. If you want to learn more about other national CoCoLand holidays, just go to our website at theamazingcocoland.com and click on the link in the show notes of this episode. Now let's eat some fried pickles!
Oh, yeah!
Yummy, yummy, yummy! We've got fried pickle-shaped balloons. We've got all kinds of fried pickles.
Oh, yeah! Let's eat!
Alright. Let's see, what kind of fried pickles should we eat first? Let's just eat regular ones first. We've got some different kinds, but let's eat regular ones first.
I really like them.
Fried pickles are great. Now, let's see. What
Does
other...
Carmi like fried pickles? He's pretty picky about food. I love fried pickles.
Good, because it's a very popular snack here in CoCoLand, the old fried pickles.
Yeah, but he doesn't like carrots.
He doesn't like carrots, but he should. They are good for him. Anyway, Theodore.
Huh?
How many pickle-shaped balloons did you blow up again?
2?
You only blew up 2 pickle-shaped balloons? This is catastrophic. We must blow up more balloons. Whoa.
I'm lightheaded.
Drink some water. Well, that's a lot of balloons, Theodore. That's 52,
Whoa, I blew up
53.
mine too much.
Oh, that's 52, so 54, 55, 162, 160.
I think that's enough.
All right, we've got 200.
One
Too many balloons. Can you pop it, Murph?
Pop. I got it. Up in one breath.
Theodore, that's enough balloons.
Pop, 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 pop.
That's
pop,
enough.
pop, 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 pop.
All right. Oh, he's pretty lightheaded. Oh, he fainted. Somebody wake up. Drink some water, Theodore. Okay. All right, let's count our balloons. Okay.
All right, 1, 2, 3,
834.
Wow!
We have a lot of
That
balloons.
was easy for us. But there's 24.
Yes,
but
we
there's
have a lot.
supposed to be 825.
835?
I popped one too many.
Well, we better blow up another. There, okay. 835 pickle-shaped balloons. That's just right for Fried Pickle Eating Day.
Oh, yeah! That's, what's next, fried pickles? We had regular.
Yeah, we had regular. Did anyone bring any different kinds of fried pickles?
I brought pickle fried pickles. Is it 2 pickles stacked on one? Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds like a double fried pickle.
It is.
Ooh, that sounds yummy. Let's eat those. Oh, yummy.
I also want some different kinds.
Oh, yummy. Oh, do you want to dip some in some
I had
ranch?
pizza flavored.
Pizza flavored? It seems like everything's flavored like pizza. Well,
You like pizza?
it is the national food of Coco.
I have a lot of different kinds too.
Oh, yes. Oh, let's try
Oh, wow.
these. Oh, these are weird tasting, but they're pretty good still.
This one's awful. No offense to anyone who likes them.
Oh, I like
I
this
like
one.
them all. Oh,
Fried
Sorry
pickles
about
are
that.
so good. But you know what kind of fried pickles I brought? I brought fried pickles with frosting on them.
yummy!
And I brought a whole fried pickle cake.
Ow!
Yummy! Oh, that tastes kind of weird.
Yeah.
Pickles with icing on them. That's
Pickle
kind of
ice.
pickle icing. That's a little
Yum.
bit. That might have been a little bit too over the top.
I love it. But let's have the fried pickle cake.
Oh yes, the fried pickle cake will be yummy. Here, I'll cut it into pieces.
Is it just
Here's one for
regular fried
you, one
pickles
for
all
you.
made into a cake?
Yes.
Oh, did you grow a giant cucumber and then cut a big slice and it was big and round? Like a cake? And then did you put breading over it?
Well, I didn't grow it, but your grandma did.
Oh yeah, she got the award of
Yeah, she got the
gardening.
gardening award for the giant cucumber. Okay, well, here's a piece for everyone. It's fried pickle cake. Oh, that's the biggest pickle I've ever eaten.
That is not rotten.
Yes, that was so yummy.
When did she grow it?
Oh, she grew it a couple weeks ago, but it had to sit in the pickle juice for long enough to be turned into a pickle.
Oh, yeah, I would have bet it would have to sit pretty
Yeah, it
long.
took a little while, and then we had to fry it, and that took yeah, it's quite an ordeal because nobody had a stove big enough. But Dr. Dave helped us out. He had a big stove. He built a big one because he had a lot of fish to fry once. But yeah, now we have this pickle cake and it's delicious, isn't it?
Oh yeah, very yummy.
Yes. Okay.
Kai, how'd you like it? I didn't really like it.
Well, we all love fried pickles, and I hope our listeners do the same. But, oh wait, listeners, we should probably say goodbye to our listeners before we move on with our day,
we
don't you
should
think?
definitely.
Oh yes,
But Tag, you're it.
No, don't move on with your day. You need to
He's
say
already
bye.
tagged.
Okay, this is just me and Theodore here. Thank you, everyone, for listening to the podcast today. We really appreciate it. Make sure you check out our website to learn more about CoCoLand holidays, meet the residents, visit our awesome store, sign up for the Coco Club, and much more. Thanks again for listening, and we will see you next Tuesday. Bye!
Boy.